Okay, for number 6, we're doing multiplication of fractions. We just multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator to be able to multiply fractions. The first thing we can do, however, is cross cancel. We can see that 3 and 33, so these two here, are both divisible by 3. So we can divide both of these guys by 3. When we do that, we're going to end up seeing that 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 33 divided by 3 is 11. We can do the same thing with 5 and 15. So both these are divisible by 5. So we can divide them both by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we get 1 times 3, numerator times numerator, and 1 times 11. So 3/11 is going to be our answer. So once again, numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Our second one has 4 fractions, and with this one we can cross cancel going across the different fractions, and when we do that we can, for instance, we have we can take these two 9s and make them both 1s, divide them both by 9. The 7 and the 14 are both divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then we can take our 6 and our 9. They're both divisible by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then we can go ahead and we could cancel a little bit more for these, but doing the cross cancellation that we have, we can go ahead and our numerators are 3 times 2 times 1 times 1, and our denominators are 3 times 7 times times 1 times 2. So we can end up here with 6 over, and 3 times 7 is 21, and times 2 is 42, and these are both divisible by 6, so we can get 1 over 7, so 1/7. Now, as I said before, we could have gone ahead and done some more canceling. With this right here, if I had wanted to, I could say these 2's here will cancel out, and the 2's will end up canceling out to a 1 and a 1. I could also say these two 3's here, even though they're on top of each other, 3 over 3 is 1, so 1 over 1. So now we can see we have all 1's on the top, which is going to equal 1, and then for our denominator, 1 times 7 times 1 times 1, so 1/7. I should also point out, rather than canceling the 7 and the 14, it would have been fine to cancel out these two 7's. So there are different ways to do these. Either way you do it, you're going to end up with 1/7 as your answer.